I'll guide you through how to enable 120Hz refresh on your iPhone without your screen being stuck at 60Hz. If you're looking to enjoy smoother animations and scrolling, or want to get the best performance out of your iPhone for gaming, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps of enabling the 120Hz refresh rate. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. To start, go to your iPhone's home screen and tap the Settings app icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Accessibility and then tap on it. Inside the Accessibility menu, locate and tap on Motion. You will see an option labeled Limit Frame Rate. If this option is turned on, your iPhone's display is capped at a maximum of 60 frames per second, or 60 Hz. To enable the full 120Hz refresh rate, simply toggle this option off. The 120Hz feature is known as Pro Motion and is only available on certain iPhone Pro models like the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, and iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. The refresh rate is variable, meaning it automatically adjusts to save battery life. For example, it'll drop to a low rate for static images, but ramp up to 120 Hz for smooth scrolling and gaming. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled the 120 Hz refresh rate on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more iPhone video tutorials. Thanks for watching.